Hey everybody, how's it going? Just got home from work and haven't done a video in a little while, and just kind of felt like doing one. So as you can see, I come home from work and my girls and my boy right there, they all come up to see me, see what's going on, and make some crinkling noise because today I got them a treat. Oh, look at them all coming up. The lady at work brings me in her old stale bread sometimes, and chickens love it, and this stuff is pretty stale. So let's give them a treat here. You should love this. Come on, girls. Come on. Oh, I can't even break this. Oh, there we go. Come on, girls. Come on. No, they're being a little camera shy. Well, that's some good stuff there. I'll only give them something to pick at for a while. Anyway, just want to do a short little vid. Say hi to everyone, and guess that's about it. I need to collect eggs and see what they left me today. Can't collect in the morning because I leave too early and they're still sleeping. So I got 3 over there, 1 over there. I got 4 today. I'm just gonna remember I'm putting them in my pocket. I made that mistake before. All right. Well, anyway, folks, have a good day and keep prepping.